In this video, we will explain the difference between our King DTF printer and normal Epson L1800 modified for DTF. So first, I will give you the overview of both machines. This is normal Epson L1800 modified for roll-to-roll printing. This this is readily available in market, which comes with a roll-to-roll module and a roll holder, white ink circulation, and the standard KTF modification of removing pizza wheels and adding external wasting pipe. And this is our King DTF, which is specially built for DTF printing and comes with many advanced features. Let's see. This comes with inbuilt vacuum bed, ink system specially designed for 100% density of white ink, and roll to roll attachment, which comes with automatic roll to roll unwinding. This happens with the help of sensor. The LCD screen for controlling printer operations, proper arrangement of waste ink. Now let's begin with the normal L1800 printer. To start roll-to-roll printing on this, we need SP-Roll software. This SP-Roll software comes with different names, but GUI and functioning is same for all. We will start printing now. Let's load the roll in Epson L1800. After placing the film here, you have to place load roll in SP-Roll. Is ejecting out the media. It has not loaded the sheet. Sheet is rolling here only. Take out the sheet. So it has ejected almost 18-20 inches of media. We'll try loading once again. I will try supporting by hand. Now the paper is loaded, and this exercise you have to repeat every time when you switch on the printer, give head clean or cancel the print. We'll explain it while printing. Now let's start loading in King DTF. Sheet is fitted on back. We have straight feed system in King DTF. Sheet is loaded now. After loading, you just have to press load from here. The sheet is loaded within a fraction of a second. So now let's start printing on L1800. Before starting the print, we will use this shake print head feature of SP-Roll, which shakes the print head in dampers. Let's see if it works. So shake head is complete now. We'll try to give the print. For giving the print, first you have to rip it from Acrorip, and then open the file in SP roll. So first we are giving the print from Acrorip software. You can see the settings. Print is on. Now it is loaded into SP roll software. Give the print from here. Printing is started now. You can check the depth of white ink printing. It is very low. This is the issue with this normal L1800 ink system. After few days of usage, you will start facing this lower white ink density issue. Even after the ink circulation is working, this issue is there in this machine. I am fast forwarding the video till the print is completed. You can see even we have kept the 100% ink limit. And the white ink is like transparent only. So the print is complete now. Now let's try the same on King DTF. In King DTF, you don't need any external software. You can directly give print from the partnership software. I'm giving the print on same settings. The printing has started now. You can see the vacuum has started. You can hear the sound. It gets started only at while the printing. can see the difference in depth of whiting printing and color vibrancy. And compare it with the previous L1800 print. You see the difference. In this ink system, we have also added a 250 ml of bulk ink tank, so you never have to fill ink very frequently. You will get all the updates of printer on this screen. This 100% is the vacuum speed, another one is the media sensor, then another icon is for ink circulation, so you will get all the updates on the display only. Print is now completed. Now let's see how to cut the media in both machines. Let's move to L1800. So you have to press this down button of this forward reverse module to take the sheet out. And to cut the sheet, you can cut it with a cutter. You have to cut it with scissor only. This is the print. Keep it on side. After cutting, you have to press backward button and adjust the position manually of the printing. Now let's see this in King DTF. You just have to press cut button on the screen. After pressing cut, the sheet will come out automatically at cut position. Cut position had cutting slot. You can easily cut it with paper cutter. See the print quality. Now to take back the sheet, you have to press this button again. After pressing it, it will automatically go back on to print position, and the print position will be controlled automatically. So now let's compare both prints. These are two prints. This one is from King DTF and this one is from L1800. You can see the color contrast and white ink. This color contrast is because of white ink only, and even after transfer you will see the difference. See the white ink depth. So now let's see the print cancellation issue in the L1800 and King DTF. I am giving the same print again from SP Roll. print is now started. I am cancelling the print now. Let's wait till something is printing. Okay, now I am cancelling the print. After cancellation, it is ejecting of the media continuously. It has ejected out almost 30 inches of roll, and this paper LED light is blinking. Let's click the paper button again. See, it's ejecting media again. There is no way to stop this process. Now we'll take back the film using that back button, and you have to restart the machine to get over from this process. And after restarting again, you have to do the same exercise of loading print media. Now we'll load the sheet in this L1800. Till then let's try to load it again. When not working, so they will load the load again, and till then we will see how cancellation works in DTF. We'll give the same print again. We started only. I'm cancelling the print now. After pressing cancellations, the print got stopped without ejecting the media, and you can see printer got ready. So, it is ready to give the next print. You can give the print immediately, no need of restarting. Now coming back to L1800, we will check the continuous roll printing, how it works on L1800 and also on King DTF. So let's try to load the roll again, because we have to restart the machine. and load it again. I am pressing load roll again. It did not load. I will try supporting by hand. Still did not load. Once again. Oh, it is ejecting again. This will be the major issue every time you load. It will happen every time you restart the machine or cancel the print or give head clean. So finally it got loaded. Now let's see continuous roll printing. I'm giving one another file. I'm printing on high speed just to check the how continuous roll printing works. It is here in SP roll now. So now let's print or click on start job. Printing is started. So you can see there is some overlapping of prints because I think it's not able to pull the roll from the roll stand. We have to manually unwind the roll in order to do proper prints. So even if you are printing continuous roll to roll printing, you have to place one person over here who will unwind the roll always. It's not like that our roll stand is a issue. We have added bearings on both sides of the roll stand and we are able to move it even just with one finger. Still the printer is not able to uh, take it from the feeder. See, after unwinding the roll, printing got smooth again. Now I'm cancelling. No, I can't cancel the print. Let's move to King DTF. We'll see how continuous roll printing works on King DTF. The same file, high speed mode. I am giving the print. The printing is started now. Printing is going on. Now let's see how the roll automatic unwinding feature works. See, when the print roll was moving forward, it was getting unwinded automatically. So, printer will always run on autopilot mode. You will not need any special person to unwind the roll, or you don't have to sit near the printer while it is printing. You can see there is no overlapping of prints. So printing is going on continuously on this. From start to end you can see the same quality of print, no overlapping. You can hear this sound, this is for unwinding. I'm cancelling the print now. Demonstration is done. Okay. One more thing we forgot to tell you about L1800 is the issue with head cleaning. See, the now roll is printing is still going on over here. Let's wait till the print is get completed. You can see overlappings here. So the print is completed now. Printer is ready. Now I will give head cleaning on this machine. After pressing this button continuously, head cleaning will start automatic. So the head cleaning is started now. Let's see what happens after head cleaning. I'm fast forwarding the video till the process of head cleaning is completed. So this is normal Epson feature. It will eject out some media in the head cleaning process. So the head cleaning is complete now. It has ejected this much of around 36 inches of media. We will take back the media and give the print. I'm giving the print again. See, even after taking back, it ejected this much of media. Even after forward reverse module, this is ejecting this much of media after head cleaning. And after ejecting, it started printing. You can see this much of media is wasted after the head cleaning process. To avoid this, you have to remove the fill, restart the printer and load the sheet again. Now I will show head cleaning in King DTF. I'm pressing the same head cleaning button again. Head cleaning has started. You can see media is at this position right now. The cleaning process is going on and still no media has been ejected out. I'm fast forwarding video till the head cleaning is completed. So the head cleaning is complete now, and you can see the media position. It is at the same place, no ejecting out, and the printer is ready. So that's all for now. These are all the major issues which we have covered in our product King DTF. It's a complete product for DTF, not just the modified one. Even if you have a modified L1800 which comes with roll-to-roll module, whiting circulation, SP roll software, vacuum bed or straight bed, your most of the time will be wasted with dealing with this kind of issues. Apart from these major issues, we have also covered many smaller issues which will make your DTF printing experience hassle free. You will experience this while using the machine.